In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install the TikTok Pixel for Shopify in the easiest and best way possible. If you're a Shopify store owner looking to maximize your marketing efforts, installing the TikTok Pixel is a vital step to track conversions and better understand your audience. Let's dive into the process, which is straightforward and should take just a few minutes of your time. First things first, you need to navigate to the Apps section within your Shopify admin panel. It's easy to find. Just look to the left of your screen and you'll see the Apps option listed there. Once you click on Apps, you'll be directed to a page where you can manage your current app installations and explore new ones. To proceed, you're going to search for TikTok using the search bar within the Apps section. This search will bring up the TikTok app for Shopify, which is designed specifically to integrate these two platforms seamlessly. When you see TikTok in the results, click on it to be taken to its app page. This page provides more information about the app, including an overview and benefits, but let's focus on the task at hand: installation. Now, go ahead and click on the Install button that you'll find there. This prompts a confirmation request, and you should confirm the installation. By confirming, you are allowing the app to run on your store, which is important for linking your TikTok marketing data with Shopify. Once installed, the app will automatically open on your Shopify dashboard. Here, you'll need to log in using your TikTok account credentials. This is a crucial step because this login will sync your TikTok account with Shopify, enabling data flow between the platforms. Make sure you utilize the appropriate TikTok account where you want to track the conversions and other interactions, as this could impact the efficiency of your advertising and tracking activities. And that's really all there is to it. The entire process is designed to be user-friendly and efficient, ensuring that even if you're new to using Shopify or TikTok for business, you can still navigate through without any hassle. Just remember, having the TikTok Pixel installed not only allows you to track your customer's journey more successfully, but also helps in optimizing your marketing strategies by targeting audiences that matter most to your business. That means more finely tuned ad campaigns and a better return on investment in the long run. So there you have it, a simple process broken down into easy steps that should get your TikTok Pixel up and running on your Shopify store without delay. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial helps set you on the path to a more data-driven marketing strategy.